Okay. I was playing the other day the acoustic. So this one is stock. It's just the pickups is just what you change. I mean the covers. And you said you wax on them. Does that affect the tone in any way?
Some people say yes, some people say no. I find a very subtle change on the highs, but it's not something that makes a...
So significant, like people say, like it's a big deal. I think it makes it warmer, like a little bit, like less high, like you said. But yeah, I mean, it's subjective. This guitar has always sound kind of mellow, so you know. I really like this guitar. Like the way they worked on it doesn't feel like your regular, you know, export, import. Because the neck usually is very chimey and kind of like sticky on the imports, and this one's not like that. Yours is not like that either. The other so that brass came with it, with the guitar.
Stuck, yeah.
Yeah, I like that brass, and I don't even know if it affects the tone. I guess yeah, because it makes contact with the string. But it looks cool.
Paul Smith thinks that
He does, yeah.
everything that the string touches, it should be brass.
Oh, that everything that the string touches should be
Yeah.
brass?
That's
Actually something he says?
Yeah, that's why.
How about the nut?
That's why their core models have the brass saddles, the brass tuning post where the string.
Over here.
Yeah, and they have a proprietary nut that is impregnated with some kind of alloy or
I don't know that.
copper or something like
That's
that.
the first time I hear that. I've never heard that before.
I changed the nut on mine, and if you look the nut, it doesn't look black. It looks like metal flakes inside.
I mean, I'm not gonna debate what that guy says. He's been making guitars for a long time, so I'm just a guy on the internet playing guitar. So, I mean, cool. Oh yeah, it's fireworks. The one in Puerto Rico. All right. Thank you. Have a good night. See you later. Bye.